Worldwatch at 1 a.m. PST, August 8th, and DOLPHIN, well, it's still about 70, 75 knots. Moving towards China. Here's Taiwan down here. Should move west into China the next 24 to 36 hours. And as you can see, make landfall on between about midday on the 9th. So another 24 hours before landfall, around 70 knots. Um, is the latest thinking. Then will weaken, head more northward, what's into China. Our next system is CHAN-HOM, which is 35 knots, 53 north, 155 east. This system is going to move toward Japan in the next few days. Strengthened to about 50 knots to make landfall at the top of the storm, as you can see. Here's a look at the storm. It's become a lot more tropical convection in the center. So yeah, I mean, it should strengthen a little bit, possibly get closer to typhoon strength. 980 by 32 hours. It could activate landfall closer to typhoon than what the giant typhoon one is showing. I could see it based on what I see in the models. Kuro has still got somewhat of a system there. It could still reform into a top cyclone and strengthen a little bit into a top storm. But we'll have to see. Pretty messy, to tell you the truth. I think it's doubtful, but models do hint at some kind of low pressure. AW, another system could develop into something, but we'll have to see. About as likely as Kudra. 97W, I mean, chances of development are very low. I don't expect it to form at all, but here it is. Now we look at the Eastern Pacific. We got 50% for the West East Pacific system. It's going to be west into the Central Pacific. Our system south of the Baja is going to have 20% in the next few days, and later on, another system could form near Mass Pack 20%. I mean, yeah. Nothing in the Eastern Pacific looks particularly likely in the next 5 to 7 days. But afterward, I mean, chances do go up for a system closer to the Mexico to form. Atlantic, I mean, we're going to be watching the Cape Verge for a system to potentially form. I mean, I'm thinking 30% in the next 7 days. Quite a few models do show low pressure trying to form in the MDR, but conditions are very moderate, to say the least. Well, that's your World Watch.